In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-account on Bybit. Sub-accounts help you organize strategies or manage different portfolios under one main account. Let's get started. First, go to bybit.com and sign into your account to access the full dashboard features. Next, head to your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and click on Sub-account from the drop-down menu. After that, click Create Sub-account to start the setup process. You'll see three sub-account types: Standard, Custodial Trading, and Islamic. For this tutorial, we'll go with Standard since it's the most common. Finally, enter any nickname you prefer for this sub-account and click Confirm. Your new sub-account will now appear in your dashboard ready for use. And that's how you create a sub-account on Bybit. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy-to-follow crypto guides. See you next time!